Hello, and welcome back to another episode of Chris's Corner presented to you by Neishloss Fleming. Last episode, we spoke about grassroots marketing and how it can be a positive impact for your business, help generate you leads, and keep you busy in the market. So now, we're going to talk about how to operate a table event. So the first thing you need in running a table event is a table, duh. So look at our table here. This is going to be for demonstration purposes only. Ideally, you're going to want a table that's going to be between 6 to 8 feet, so it gives you enough room to spread all your stuff out, be able to talk to clients, maybe even offer them a seat at the event. Secondly, you want to make sure that your table stands out. Don't be the person that's sitting there with a table that just has nothing going on with it. Don't have it plain, don't have it boring. You want to make sure that it pops so that it catches the attention of the folks walking by so they're a little bit more drawn to come over to you. Now, a couple things that you can use to do that is dress your table up. You can do this by having a tablecloth, having a bunch of signage such as this. You can have your informational material as well, small giveaways such as stress balls, maybe even some toothbrushes. And then of course, who doesn't love extra pens? And with those pens, you need some notepads to be able to write things down on. And then who doesn't love a free deck of playing cards if you have them available as well? All these things are gonna really attract people to come over to you. People love giveaways, promos, anything such as that. The more you have, the better. Lastly, you do not want to forget your permission to contact forms. These are going to be very important in allowing you to be gaining information from the people and the prospects that you interact with on that day, and having that information really helps you work them as a lead moving forward. Now, the biggest part about all this, you can have the best table, you can have all the best giveaways. However, if you're not engaging with your crowd, then it's going to be a dud no matter what. Don't be sitting there on your phone. Don't be sitting behind the table. Interact with the people walking by and show them that you are there to assist them. And that is all I have for you today on Chris's Corner. If you have any other questions or want information on how to operate a table event, please do not forget to give us a call. And lastly, do not forget to like and subscribe, and we will see you next time on Chris's Corner.